Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload shirts on Roblox Mobile. Let's get started. First, open a browser on your phone, Chrome or Safari, then go to create.roblox.com. Then tap Login at the top right and sign into your account. Then tap the three lines at the top left, then scroll down and tap Creations. At the top, select Avatar Items, then Classics. Scroll to Filters, then select Classic Shirts. Now tap Upload Asset. Choose Photo Library or choose File. Then select your shirt image. Then add a name and descriptions. Then tap Upload. Cost 10 Robux. Then after that, open the Roblox app. Go to the Avatar Editor, then Classic Shirts. Your uploaded shirt should now appear and be ready to wear or sell. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.